Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brian, I'm a web designer, and in this video I want to share with you 8 of my favorite Google fonts that don't get as much love as they should. Now, I 100% agree with Chris Do that fonts are like friends. It's nice to have a bunch, but you only spend time with a few. However, variety is the spice of life. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 fonts I think you should add to your repertoire. Coming at number 1 is Archivo. Suitable for both print and digital mediums, Archivo is a grotesque sans serif typeface family designed by Omnibus Type. Originally designed with headings in mind, if you need a secondary font, try pairing Archivo with Roboto or Open Sans. Number 2 is Barlow. Named after Electronic Frontier Foundation co-founder John Perry Barlow, Barlow is a grotesque typeface designed by Jeremy Tribby. Drawing inspiration from the Bay Area rapid transit system, Tribby designed Barlow to be a reflection of California's visual style. Number 3 is Cabin. Reminiscent of the typeface Johnston, Cabin is a humanist sans serif typeface designed by Pablo Impalleri. Featuring modern proportions and a touch of geometric elements, Cabin presents a nice alternative to the often used Lotto. Number 4 is Fira Sans. Fira Sans is a humanist sans serif typeface originally designed to be a system typeface for the Mozilla operating system. With a focus on legibility on small screen sizes, it serves as a valued option for any of your projects. Number 5 is Inter. Inter is a sans serif typeface designed by Ramus Anderson. Designed with user interfaces in mind, Inter prides itself on being highly legible at small screen sizes, a seemingly necessary requirement as screen sizes and devices continue to get smaller and smaller. Number 6 is Manrope. Designed by Michael Sharanda, Manrope is a modern geometric sans serif typeface that comes in 7 standard weights along with a variable option. Number 7 is Overpass. Based on United States Federal Highway Administration's Highway Gothic, Overpass is a modern-day interpretation of the original 1948 design with adjustments made to fit modern-day devices and screen sizes. And number 8 is Public Sans. Suitable for both headings and body copy, Public Sans is a neutral sans serif typeface that designer Dan Williams designed for the United States Web Design System. Public Sans is currently available in 9 weights, with Williams hoping to one day release a variable version.